Hello and welcome to Blythe Business News. For this edition, I'm joined again by Kyla Hardy, who is Chief Executive and founder of Cloudbreak Discovery. Cloudbreak Discovery, listed in the London market, de-risks shareholders' investments by using its own expertise to invest in companies where the management sees potential for growth, for revenue, for generally creating value. Kyla, welcome back on the programme. You've recently had a bit of a strategic direction, a bit of reorganisation. Give us some background on that, please.
Yeah, absolutely. And Tim, thanks for having us back. I always appreciate it. So our reorganization, slight restructuring, we've taken our project generation business in the mineral exploration space, and we've put it into a wholly owned subsidiary now. My colleague, Rory Kalulu, is going to be taking on the CEO of that role, or of that company, and keeping that business moving forward. And now our parent, the Cloudbreak Discovery, PLC, is going to be continuing on acquiring energy royalties, backing management teams in the energy sector, primarily in North America. We have got a very heavy focus on Texas right now, and small minority interests in interesting international projects, which we've talked about in the past, down in Namibia, and we're looking at a number of other ones.
Okay, so a corporate reorganisation to, I suppose, separate the mining and the oil and gas. What was the rationale for that, and how is it going to impact your shareholders?
Well, we think that separating the two out allows the mining and exploration team to really focus their expertise on finding and developing new projects, moving them forward, finding partners for those projects. The energy side is it's a cash flow business. We go in, we write convertible debentures, we put royalties on those into and finance teams so that we're able to get that cash flow into us. And then use that part of that cash flow to maybe one day return some to shareholders, but also continue financing the exploration business as well. So the benefit is focused management teams.
Okay, so as I understand it, at the PLC level, you're now focused on energy acquisitions, I suppose.
Yeah.
I'm going to push you a little bit here. So if you're focused on energy acquisitions, can you tell us what's in the pipeline?
We can tell you what's in the pipeline. We're working very closely with a management team right now called Legato Oil and Gas, very experienced team based out of San Antonio. They've put a number of interesting projects together for us to review, and we intend to finance a couple of these. One in East Texas called the Roe Project. It's got a number of shut-in wells on it, brownfields, redevelopment, quick to cash flow, very large acreage position, so over 16,000 hectares on that. As well, they've identified a very interesting project in Indiana that oil and gas production surrounds it. This particular tract of land in Warwick County hasn't been developed at this stage because it was a coal mine for a number of years. It's been completely reclaimed. Peabody and CNX used to own it. They've brought that to us too. We see it as a very, very low cost and strategic development play for them, and significant cash flow for us.
Okay, and you've also said you've got new developments in the mineral exploration.
Yes.
Give us some of the detail on that as well, please.
Definitely. So we've been heavily focused on the bauxite sector, as we see it as a good play into the EV market. We need to lighten the chassis of these vehicles, and aluminum is a key component of doing that, which is
aluminium, as we say here.
And the other one is very focused on the lithium sector, Appalachia and East Texas. We've made a number of moves in that region. 2 years of data comp has finally come to fruition. We're strategically acquiring projects across 5 states right now.
And finally, any plans for updates of investor presentations? When can people listen to Kyla and the team say what he's got planned?
Well, we're actually going to be on Share Talk next week, and we'll be doing a full presentation on there, myself and Rory. And we intend to have a full update of our presentation available at that point.
Kyla, thank you. That was Kyla Hardy, Chief Executive and Founder of Cloudbreak Discovery. That's it for this edition of Blythe Business News. Thanks for watching.